Patel, you just mentioned business improvement. How has it improved for the company?
Well, basically, as I said, after the Bainimarama government took over 2006, they have done a lot of structure in Fiji's economy. And for Supreme Fuel, I have personally said that the business have grown, the motor industry has grown, so it means our business have grown. But generally, when I look at the business as a whole, when you talk to other business houses, everybody is saying there has been a positive response, saying the market has grown, the GDP is getting better, and everybody is forecasting a very bright future with this new government coming in, because I know there will be a lot of structures will come in. And any structure in any business means a good healthy business and improvement.
And obviously any activities will require fuel.
Yes,
and
as I said, activities require fuel. The government has reduced duty on gas vehicles, and there you can see the taxis are improving, the bus industry is improving. So when the structure, all the basic needs are improving, then the country is going to flow. It's a milestone celebration for our family and for our business groups in Fiji. The two business arms, Supreme Fuel and Autocare, we have two brothers of two sons of our dad, Mr. Ramesh Bhai Patel, and we are honoring his 85th birthday and 65 in industry. And it's also to mark the reunion of our family members around the world. I've got my auntie and uncle, they have arrived from London, and one of my aunties arriving in this country after 50 years. Since she left, she was about 7 years old, and when she left this country, and she's back here to celebrate that 85th birthday and to celebrate company's performance in this country. We're expecting around about more than 500 people, that's for sure, and people around Village is coming up. We're expecting buses from Reykjavik and Tavua. There are a lot of my dad's friends who have been born and bred together in Reykjavik for the last 60-70 years. They are here. We are very well known in our rural areas from Reykjavik, Tavua, with cane farming belt area, and we are more with our business basically has been more with middle class people. The mortgage and taxi drivers, the cane trucks has been our lifetime customers. We have got customers in Fiji that has done business for the last 50-60 years and have continued doing business with us. So on this, and we want to honor them on this day. We want them to come and join the celebration because they were part of our bad days. They are part of our good days.